So I'm now going to show you how to create your PDSAs. So first of all, we need to navigate our way to the PDSA area. To do this, click on the PDSA tab on the top navigation bar within your Project General page. Once we are in the PDSA area, we are going to click on plus New PDSA Ramp. We're now going to describe the purpose of our PDSA. So first of all, we need to give it a title. This is a mandatory field, so you'll need to fill it in order to save this PDSA. Next, what is the aim of our PDSA? So here you want to describe the objective of this PDSA cycle to give it a specific focus. In the bottom box, we are able to link a change idea from our driver diagram. Once complete, click Next. So now we need to say who is responsible for this PDSA. So each PDSA cycle should have one person that is ultimately responsible for executing this test. When is this PDSA taking place? And where? Is it a specific department or ward? On this window here, we're going to describe the plan for our test of change. So describe your plan for carrying out this PDSA cycle. In this section here, we're able to assign tasks to people within our project team. So what is that task? Notes relating to that task, and then who is responsible for carrying out that task and the due date. Once completed, click Save. This task will now show here. On the final page, we want to describe what we predict will happen. So what is the prediction of this PDSA cycle? We are also able to link any measures that it may relate to. Once you've linked your measures and added in your prediction, click Create PDSA Cycle.